Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a simple winter dessert called Gelu di Mandarinu, or tangerine jelly. These are the ingredients. As you can see, it's just sugar, wheat starch, and the juice from these tangerines. I'm not exactly sure how many tangerines I need, and I do have a few more. So I'm just gonna keep squeezing them until I have half a liter. So as you can see, I didn't make it anywhere near a half liter with the amount of tangerines I had, and one of them ended up being moldy. So I'm gonna have to recalculate the sugar and wheat starch amounts. I don't really mind though, I was just trying to use up the rest of my tangerines for this, so. I calculated that I needed a little bit over a third of a cup of wheat starch. So as you can see, I put that right in the pot. Next, I'm gradually pouring the juice through a sieve, and I'm gonna stop there and start whisking it in and then gradually pour in more juice. Now that the starch is fully dissolved in the juice, I'm adding about a third a cup of sugar. And then I'm going to turn the heat on to medium and bring it to a boil. I'm also making sure to continually whisk while the mixture is warming up. So the mixture is almost fully thickened. I'm turning the heat off and then pouring it into the molds, which in this case are just regular bowls. So I only had enough to fill one bowl. I also want to mention this all happens really fast. Like this thickened in like 2 minutes after putting the heat on pretty much. And now I just have to put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours to cool off. So it's been a few hours and I took it out of the fridge and flipped the jelly over on a plate. And this is what it looks like. I garnished it with some slivered almonds, and now it's time to try it. I literally don't want to slice into it because it looks so pretty, but I'm about to. It basically tastes like a tangerine, but in jelly form. It's a little thicker than what you might be used to as Gelo, so don't assume it's like the same exactly, but this is like the texture that helps. It's like a little more like gummy. Also the fact that it's fresh fruit, obviously, instead of like artificial flavors, just like makes it a million times better. So yeah, I highly recommend making any one of these Gelu desserts because they're easy to make, really simple, and amazing to eat. As always, thank you for joining me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.